everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon, 5 p.m. and we're here in Hockey Street Fields Avenue and we're waiting for Georgie and we're going to restaurant.
Which restaurant?
Kimchi.
Kimchi. Georgi said maybe we going to Isan restaurant.
I don't want.
You don't want Isan restaurant?
No, I can go to Yisan but I can walk to another road only.
You don't want through Walking Street?
Yes.
You don't want to see face of banana manager, yes?
I don't want that.
But when already we finish with him, you can walk, yes? You
No.
don't know?
I do. No.
What no?
I don't know when I can walk there. But right now I don't want. I'm not comfortable already.
You just don't comfortable in Walking Street.
I can go to coffee shop near only, but if outside already, I don't want. Inside already.
Inside. Even Kokomas restaurant.
Yes, I don't want.
Even Kokomas, you don't want sit in
No,
Kokomas.
I don't want. It's not the same already before.
It's okay, need only time and when you receive money from the...
It's not receive, okay? It's not about the money. It's about the justice we need to receive.
You need justice.
Justice only.
I understand, because you Filipina and
No.
foreigner, tourist or Korean attack us in your
No.
country, yes?
It's not the same, okay? Like some okay, some, not most, okay? Some of foreigners here are abuser already. Some only, okay? Because they think they own their country already. I just say only most or some like this. I'm not racism, okay? I just only say the fact that most or some of
Not of
foreigner.
most, Shaira, not most. Maybe some of.
Some of. That's why most or some of foreigner. And you know what? You know who? Okay.
Already Georgi arrived. Georgi, Shaira don't want go to the Isan restaurant. She said kimchi restaurant again. It's okay for you?
Same only. This side same only.
Yes, same, but you don't want only walking street. It's okay, we can go to eat kimchi. Okay, another side.
But where's Georgie?
Where?
Not there. She already stopped there. Yes, again.
Not easy for him. seen today so many airplanes from Air Force? Our place so many. Okay, Shaira, you order. What you want to order? Kimbap?
Yes, yes.
How many kimbap?
No, one kimbap for him, one kimbap for me. Okay? Okay, so we'll walk. So okay, walk. Shaira waiting in kimchi.
We're watching.
Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
Take care. We enjoy your videos.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So let's go, Georgi. $55 now. Georgi, new bar maybe will open soon. Hera. New small bar. Yes, this one is Hera bar. Hero, I don't know how. Nothing. In Russian language, nihera, it means nothing. Okay. They don't know Russian language. Georgi, also this is cafe, will open is, you know, Drake Hotel, American, yes, it's his bar, or cafe shop.
나 맞은 거 같아.
Georgi, talk with subscribers from Australia. What's why don't have? No, not blogger. He just for try. He bought camera, but not. No, only start. Only he starting only.
Hindi, lima na to sa lumalitan pa.
Maybe already they prepare our foods.
Yes.
So we need come back.
Yes.
We can walk here. Georgi, yeah. Shortcut.
걔들이 나 갈비 더 와.
Traffic again. order today? What name? Jiram. What? Egg. Okay. It's also good. And for us? And this is kimchi. It's also kimchi. Side dishes free kimchi. Shaira, what need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
We seen so many subscribers and they say hi to you.
Oh, really?
Yes, so many from Australia, from USA, different states. You can say hi also.
You can see later if you go to coffee
But you don't want to go to the walking street.
Not Walking Street, in coffee shop.
Coffee street. No, coffee shop was already it's not
It's outside.
outside. No, it's not walking street.
So let's
Okay.
go to eat.
Okay.